Hello everyone, welcome back to SteamCode. This is part 6 of our idle game tutorial series, and in this tutorial we will be adding functionality for the pickaxes and adding a new resource item, stone. So first hop into your index.html file, and then we're going to add a new button within the main div. So we'll call this button mine stone. And the text within it will just be mine for stone. And then within your inventory div, we're going to create a p tag. The ID will just equal stone, and we won't have any text in it for now. So if we reload the page, as you can see, a new button appears, mine for stone. So now we will head to our app.js file, and we're going to need a couple of variables first. So we're going to add a variable, we'll call that stone, set that equal to 0, and then we're also going to add a variable, we'll call that stone plus, and set that equal to 1. Alright, and so now we're going to add functionality for our mine stone button. So underneath your chop handler, we'll say mine stone dot click, and then function, and then we'll say if pickaxes is equal to 0, then we're going to make an alert, and we'll say you have nothing to mine stone with, and then else stone will plus equal stone plus, and we'll update the inventory with the change inventory function. So if we save that and then reload, as you can see, mine for stone, we have nothing to mine stone with. Perfect. So now if you head lower, we're going to change our change inventory function to accommodate the stones. And so you can really just copy the what we have here for pickaxes. And so if stone is greater than 0, then stone.html, you own stone. And we'll say pieces of stone. Alright, so now let's save. We'll chop 50 logs so we're able to get the pickaxe. Visit the marketplace, sell all logs, buy 1 pickaxe for 50. Now if we mine for stone, as you can see, the amount of stone we have increases. Alright, so as the game goes on, we'll keep on increasing with the amount of logs we'll have, we'll keep on increasing with the stone, and we'll be adding more functionality for those two resources. Like say for example, we might be able to build a house or what have you. Please leave your ideas in the comments if you have any ideas of what you want me to make for this tutorial series. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. This has been SteamCode. I'll see you in the next one.